So friends, welcome to the series of Pi Network. सब जो update है that is from the Pi Network itself. You can see आपके पास अगर पेमेंट करना है मल्टीपल मर्चेंट्स के बीच में, then you have multiple options such as Mastercard, Visa and Pi Network. तो यहाँ पे तीनों का कंपैरिजन दिया हुआ है. You can see the commission of Mastercard is 3%, commission of Visa is also 3%, and commission of Pi is only 0.01 number of coins. तो इस तरह से कंपैरिजन का कॉस्ट दिया हुआ है कि कंपैरिजन among various merchants and various companies कितना होगा. You can see there is a significant difference between Mastercard, Visa and Pi Network. Next update है that is from the Pi News. There are too many stores around the world that support the Pi payment. What are you waiting to happen? तो बहुत सारे stores open हो रहे हैं which are accepting the Pi payments across the globe. Next आ रही है Pi News की तरफ से. You can see hashtag pioneers are supporting the development of Pi network through their own efforts. Join this cryptocurrency project with 50 million number of active users worldwide and start the Pi coin mining विदाउट वेस्टिंग अ सिंगल सेकंड. यू कैन सी काफ़ी सारे मर्चेंट्स अपना शॉप्स को ओपन कर रहे हैं एंड यू कैन सी दे आर एक्सेप्टिंग द पेमेंट्स इन पाई कॉइन्स एंड एज ऑफ नाउ देर आर 50 million number of active users on the network. Next update that is from the Pi News announcing the Pi Network's product roadmap, a look behind a path forward. Roadmap release plan is version 2, 1 and 2. So version 1 launch होता है in the mid of late October, that is already done. And second जो version launch होने वाला that is in December. Next update that is from Pi News. Breaking news: Pi Network chat mod confirms Pi roadmap release by the end of the year. So this is again the update on version 2. Version 2 launch होने वाला in the month of December. Next update that is from the Pi core team की तरफ से. You can see why the KYC is done. Pi aims to be the world's most widely used and distributed cryptocurrency in the hands of real distinct individuals. To achieve this, that network has a strict rule of one account one person. तो KYC करके ये लोग अपना प्रोसेस को फॉलो कर पाएंगे. That one account one person का जो रूल है that will be implemented only when the KYC process is done.